Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify enrollment status with Blue Cross Blue Shield, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your enrollment status with Blue Cross Blue Shield, start by gathering your membership information. Make sure you have your member ID card handy. Visit the official Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Locate the Member Services or Member Login section on the homepage. Click on the link to access your member account. If you are a new user, select the option to create an online account. Fill out the required information, such as your member ID, date of birth, and any other requested details. Once registered, log in using your username and password. If you are a returning user, simply enter your login credentials. After logging in, look for a section labeled Enrollment Status or Benefits Overview. Click on that section to view your current enrollment status. If you prefer not to use the website, you can also verify your status by calling customer service. Find the customer service phone number on your member ID card or the website. Dial the number and follow the prompts to speak with a representative. Provide the representative with your member ID and personal information to verify your enrollment. Take note of any relevant information they provide about your enrollment status. If you encounter any issues during the process, check the website's FAQ section for assistance. Keep your records organized, including any reference numbers or confirmation details. By following these steps, you will successfully verify your enrollment status with Blue Cross Blue Shield. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.